Hey, I am JK as usual, the CEO and a professional hairstylist. I bet you haven't seen this before. These are called butterfly braids. These are not butterfly looks, they are butterfly braids. Hope you can differentiate between the two. This is a tremendous video. They are beautiful hairstyles, so stylish, fancy, nice looking, long lasting, easy to braid. Just watch the butterfly braids and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I know this video will not leave you the same again. If you have been planning to braid, this could be your next look. You might try the butterfly braids and you're gonna look so beautiful. They are nice, they are easy, so light, so quick, you won't sit for so long. And as I told you, and I always tell you, the hairstyles I bring here are protective. And if they're not protective, I would still tell you. Yeah, just watch the video to the end and please give me thumbs up. I love you all from wherever you're tuning in. I remain JK and I'm always JK. See you soon. That is tomorrow in another upload, because we upload a video every single day.